Hey guys, Willie and Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on Luke's Mini. So in the previous episode, I managed to achieve, well, quite a lot really. I managed to forget quite a few things, but they're now all rectified. So yes, the floor was welded in, inner wheel arch was welded in. The wheel arches were cleaned up, found 2 rust holes, prepared those, and then ended up painting it all, getting the subframe in, and we are now where we are. So today I want to try and fill this arch, and the plan is that I've painted up the radius arm already. So this is the radius arm already prepped to go on. I've got new brake pipes, I've got new flexi hoses, I've got new mounts and stuff to go on as well. So I want to get them. I've also got a new bracket to go on here, which is been painted up there. That's from the new subframe. New handbrake cables, because the old ones I managed to nick because I'm an idiot with the grinder. And I just thought, do you know what? For the sake of, it's about £6, it'd be better to put a new cable on than faff around trying to sort the old one. So yeah, that's today's plan. Get this side radius arm all rebuilt, all done, and we can then hopefully move across to the passenger side, which is down here. It still needs cleaning, and it needs painting as well. So yes, lots to do. Let's just get on with it.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
Well, okay, so I've just had a quick check of these brakes, and I had them the wrong way round. So this shoe here was upside down, and yeah, it just wasn't quite right. So I had both slot and a slot to face each other, and it just didn't work. So swapped them around now. I've just double checked it on my little manual, and yeah, that is as it should be. So bit of a confusing one because there's no real leading or trailing edge. The only thing different is one side has a triangle and one side has a flat. My guess is that the triangle is the lead in because the car's going that way, and the flat is the tail in. But I got very confused overnight. I was talking to a few of the other YouTubers about what's what. So I've checked it over. It all works if I operate the handbrake lever manually. And yes, it's all fitted. Let's get the drum back on, get it on the car. Right, so this is where we should have been about 3 or 4 weeks ago in real time. The brakes are all installed, suspension is all installed, it's roughly set up. Brake pipes, flexi hose is done, suspension shocks done, new mountings, new bush, new bracket and bolts, and yeah, the only thing I've got to do now is get underneath, tighten up that, well, the opposite side of this, and then this is pretty much done. I'm going to leave the handbrake off for now because I've got to de-adjust it inside the car, but the brakes are, I reckon we could probably adjust them up a little bit more. Now I have this issue with adjusting up brakes. I don't know if anyone else has this as well. When the brakes get hot, they expand, and obviously they start to bind. So I never quite know where is enough, where is not enough. See, to me, that's too loose. But then you get to a certain point and you're like, yeah, it's a bit tight. So I'm maybe going to just nip it up a little bit more. But once I've got the car all back on its wheels and ready, I can take it down to the local garage and get them to brake test it for me. With the brake testing done, at least I can give myself an indication of where we are with the figures and stuff. So yes, we're absolutely rocking and rolling today. Radius arm underneath still has to be painted, but I thought I'd install it first and to paint it when it's in situ. But I'm so happy with the results so far. That looks absolutely fantastic. I've been playing this game for the last, it's got 10 to 15 minutes, called Hide and Seek. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the game. One person hides, one person seeks. I'm currently the seeker, and I can't find the drum brake. I've no idea where it is. I mean, I know I'm a bit messy most of the time, but I literally have no idea. Everything I've tried to keep over here. So you've got the clutch, front to rear brake pipe, rear subframe brake pipe, all the receipts, you know, the seats for the things of the floor. Got a box down here of all the accessories from the engine, but I can't find a box. It was a plain white box, similar size to this, that had the space drum in it. And can I find it? No. Bugger. I'll keep looking. Back in a bit. It's now the evening of what I was here for lunch. I'm determined to find that drum brake. I don't want to waste another lunchtime because I was really hoping to get the car onto the wheels today, but didn't happen. So let's get that drum brake found. I only would have found it. Here it is. So it was
underneath the units by the gas bottle, empty gas bottle. That is such a sigh of relief. So now I can get the drum on, I can get the wheel on, I can get this car, in theory, on the ground. I'm not going to do that today because I've got so much stuff underneath the car I just want to try and scrape out. Okay, big milestone. Both of the rear wheels are on. I need to add a bit of filler into there. That's all welded up, seam sealed. I just need to add some filler to try and smooth it out, get a bit of paint on there. So both wheels are on, brakes are all adjusted up. The only thing I was going to plan on doing was get the car on the ground, but yeah, ain't going to happen today. Today is a great episode, so thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed the content so far, please consider becoming a subscriber. Give that video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Really, really means a lot to me. All your feedback, your positive words of wisdom, and yeah, just really, really encouraging to keep pushing on. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.